This video explains how to set up scan to email on Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 series printers. The printer needs an email account to use the Scan to Email app. Before setting up Scan to Email, ask your email service provider for this information. SMTP email server address, primary SMTP gateway. SMTP port number, primary SMTP gateway port. The printer's email address, the address you're assigning to the printer. The password that goes with the printer's email address account. On your computer, open a web browser. In the address field, type the IP address of the printer, then press Enter. The EWS page opens. Click Login. For user ID, type admin. For password, type the administrator password. Then click Login. Please note that the default administrator password is the device serial number. This is applicable for both the EWS and control panel. Click Apps, then select Email. Under the SMTP settings, click Setup to configure SMTP and device email address. Enable the SMTP options to send or receive email. For device email address, type the email address of the printer. For server settings, to enter your specific SMTP server, select from the server list, then click OK. Type the port number. For SSL or TLS communication and SMTP authentication, make the necessary changes as needed. For specific information about each setting, refer to the System Administrator Guide. To perform connection test, click Start. A confirmation pop-up appears. Click Save to continue. Restart the device to apply the changes. Under Common Settings, you can configure the From Address settings and specify who can edit these settings. For specific information about each setting, refer to the System Administrator Guide. After configuring the printer, you are ready to scan a document to email. Load the original document to be scanned on the document glass or into the automatic document feeder. On the control panel, press the Home button, then touch Email. You can enter a contact manually or select one from the address book, then touch OK. To send the scanned document, touch Start.